Hi, my name's Everett.
And I'm Frankie. And today we're making a zucchini chicken soup for my brother Everett because he's sick.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's get out our first ingredient.
Yeah. So I got onion and zucchini right here. We picked this
From our garden.
Yeah, like 2 minutes ago. You see the flower? So for this, the stem, you're gonna cut the stem off.
Yeah. He's gonna cut the stem off.
The stem is very hard.
That's because you have a butter knife.
There. And then you're gonna want to cut the flower off. And look.
Zucchini, all cut.
And so these carrots are for soup too when you're sick. And spinach. And cilantro.
Yeah.
And onion and ginger. That makes the soup when you're sick very good. It helps you a lot
With your immune system. Okay,
Yeah.
but first we gotta cut the chicken. So let's get all these ingredients out of the way.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna be cutting the onion.
He's gonna be grating it.
Yeah, the yeah.
It's called garlic. It's just
Yeah.
it's like mini onion.
Yeah. So we're gonna see you when we're done. Okay.
Okay, so this is when we have to add all of our veggies into our pot. First, we gotta add our chopped 7 to 10 baby carrots. Everett's gonna add 1 whole onion that's chopped. This recipe is for 4 people. Let me add it to those again. Now I'm going to add 1 stick of celery.
And I'm gonna add cilantro and
Garlic. And minced garlic that we made ourselves. You have to mince the garlic yourself because processed minced garlic isn't as good for you as minced garlic made at home is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil.
And also you have to add ginger. It makes it very good with ginger.
Yeah, this is just a little chunk of ginger cut up.
Yeah, very little chunk.
Now we have to add a little bit of garlic salt, just a dash.
Yeah, a little bit of garlic salt. And now we add Paragon salt.
Parsley.
No, just parsley.
Yeah.
You remember to add all around. Okay, that's enough.
And now we have to
Oregano.
Add
oregano.
a little dash of oregano. It's not too much. You have to cook it for 5 minutes, and this is what the contraction looks like right now after you cook it. Now we're gonna add the chicken. This is 1 breast. You can mix it a little bit if you want to. You don't usually have to. Just mix it around so everything gets cooked.
Then you put the chicken broth in. Cools it down.
You have to
It's
leave
just
that
a little
to
bit
cook.
left.
The chicken, that was 1.5 cups of chicken broth.
Now you wait until it's ready. We'll see how once the taste test.
And you have to put the heat on for 5 to 5. And then you have to add 2 cups of water.
Okay, so we're back with our soup. After the chicken's done boiling for 5 minutes, then you add in noodles in.
1 cup.
Yeah, 1 cup of noodles. You stir it around. Very steamy and hot. And you boil it for 10 minutes and then it will be done.
This is the time after the 10 minutes where you add the zucchini. Now it's sticking on. And the spinach. You can mix it if you want. I just like mixing it so it all gets distributed.
Three more minutes boiling, we're gonna have some tasty soup. Okay, the soup is ready. So we're gonna taste test it when it's done cooling down.
Okay, we're gonna taste test it now. This is good for like when you're sick.
It's very good.
I love it, especially zucchini. It's very sweet.
That's good.
Thanks for watching this video. Bye.
Bye.